Good morning, everybody. Finally getting a little pullback in the market. Boom, chaka laka laka. It is very early. We got an order out down at 74.28. Let's put a little shorty out at what do we like here? Trend is 51. I'm down with that. Let's put that out. Small 74.51. Happy Friday, everybody. Take a chill pill. It's been a good week. Scotty had a good slow markets last night. Really good slow markets last night. So we are in relax mode on Friday. Morning, Elijah. SPYs are down 8 points. Yowza. All right, let's go over some stocks, see if there's anything we're looking at anywhere. A little pullback in Apple, nothing. CBRS, just the IPO, down from, what was the high? $400. That's why you never run into these things, guys and girls. Down 110 bucks. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go 53, guys, just to be nice and morning, Matthew. Nice and conservative. 28.53. Take a chili. Morning, YouTube. Here a few minutes early today. What up, Billy Battle? Again, it is Take It Easy Friday. It's been a decent week. Nothing gangbusters, but we made money again this week. So we relax. It's very early. I think there's a little unemployment number at 8:30. It's not going to mean anything. Let's just take a look so we make sure. Tip stocks are finally coming in a little bit. What do we got? 8:30, we got Empire State Manufacturing Index. Nothing. That should not affect the markets in any way, shape, or form. So kind of stuck in the middle with you. I'm leaving those orders out. Let's have a little morning coffee. We'll be back in a few minutes. YouTube, have any questions or anything? Pop them up there. Be back in 5 minutes. See what the cat trades in. Orders are good. Stretched out. Down 10 points. Let's do it. Let's do it. BRB. All right, guys and girls, let's see if we spec down to 28 on this Nick Papadopoulos. Bum, 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 bum. Micros, guys, micro, man. Take it slow. Bum, bum, bum. We want it on this Nick Papadopoulos. Below that, we got 74.20. Again, stay in the micros, keep it nice and small. You stink. I wanted it on that pop, guys. We got an ATR of 6, so let's just relax this morning. Let's put out 74.21. Like that better. Down 10 points. Still think 28 works, but I don't like this little freaking bouncy bounce we got. This thing's on ice. Would have been nice if we got right there. Such a guy inside to see. It's a girl, my lord, in a flatbed Ford, slowing down to take a look at me. I think we just relaxed this morning, guys and girls. I don't think we need to be in a hurry to do anything. Morning, Denise. Morning, morning, morning. Would have been great if we spiked down to 28, but we didn't. China. Says she's a friend of mine. Killing me. All right. Gonna fill my coffee. I'll be right back. Still like the short side, still like the long side. Back in fiber. Show it out. All right, Don, let's lower to 51.50. Thank you. On the sell side, guys, 51.50. And I'm just filling my coffee. And a check 1 2 3, a check 1 2 3, a check 1 2 3. Good morning officially to everybody. What's shaking my bacon? All righty, where we at? Let's see where we're at. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Kirks. Good morning to those who are finishing up their free trial this week. Finally getting a little break in the market, but not much to be expected. We had some good timing in UVXY and NVDS out of both of them now. UVXY, we were long at like 36, 35 and change. It's 37.50 now. Very nice. I flattened them out this morning. I don't know if anybody followed on that. We had a great slow markets last night with Scotty. Spectaculicious. I'm not going to say as usual because that's not good.
Hey, Dave, there's black news right now. Manufacturing index.
Oh my God, I'm so scared. Leaving all orders out. If we spike down 25 points or up 15 points, we're good. So we got a couple of orders out in the MESs. Going to relax. It is Friday. It's been a profitable week, profitable month, profitable year. Boom, chakalaka laka. We are usually out of here by 11 or 11:30 on Fridays. Next week is our boot camp, ladies and gentlemen. Boom. Can't wait for that. 80 hours of live instruction included in our ultimate course, which we are now offering a coupon for $100 off on. If you guys want to check that out, WSGTA.com. We'll talk more about it before we get out of here. So kind of sitting in nowhere's land. Let's check out oil. Am I on camera? I think you guys want to see me, but makes it a little more real to see my ugly face. Boom, 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 boom. There I am. Yo, yo, yo. All right. Oh, please, Trent. Got a face for radio. Oh, good. It is what it is. Good morning, fashion. Good morning, Frank. Oil's doing nothing. Gold is doing nothing. Ken posted a gold at 67. Let's put that out. I think it was 67. Was it, Ken? Trying to go back and look. Yeah, 67. Put a little gold out there. 67. A little fib. 45, 67. Boom, chakalaka laka. A little gold. Morning, durfer, 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 durf. Pom, 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 pom. All right, coming back in AESs. We came close to that 27 in the first time. What else is new, Boomy? What is it, 45, 67? 27 is the previous week high. We would be down 11 points to hit that. I mean, that probably works for a little trade, but we just missed it. Not just, we missed it by 3 points, so let's be patient. We're at 21 because that's our previous week close. That's down 14 points from here. We're going to lower our short down to our 30 EMA, which is 49. What up, Arnd? It's only 8:30, but as we get closer to the opening, we will cancel these orders and play our opening range breakout. Yeah, I know, Brian. We're only where we were 2 days ago. And there's people posted on TikTok and everywhere else that the market is crashing. We're crashing. We're up 80 billion points, and now we're down a few. Absolute disaster. Oh, God. Great God in heaven, you know I love you. Ba-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da-da. All All good, Arnd. All good. All good, Arsh. I'll tell you, Scotty's Tuesday and Thursday night slow markets are worth the price of admission. If you want to learn how to trade futures or you're trading futures, 3.5 hours of live trading and instruction every Tuesday and Thursday night. Insane. MNQ. Look. Yeah, same chart as the ESs. We got 28,969 down like 50 points from here. I like that. I mean, the ATR is 38 points. But I like the pivot point if we get down there. I like the short on the 65 EMA if you're a MNQ trader. That works, that works, that works. ES daily 9 EMA. Let's take a look. Right to the daily chart. Daily 9 EMA is 7407. Love it. Love it. I mean, we got 21 before that, but let's write it down. 7407. Right? If we happen to break 21, that could be our next target. So where do we get that from, guys and girls? We went all the way to our daily chart with Rodolfo. And there's our 9 EMA. Boom, 7407. Which, if you look, guys and girls, for the last 7 weeks, we have not broken that 9 EMA. Now, a regular pullback would be down to our 15 EMA, which is down, almost 100 points from here. That would be nothing. That would just be a pullback to our trend line. But for the last 2 months, we have not broken the 9 EMA. And if you look at the SPY or any other chart we want to look at on a little longer term, they're all going to look the same, exactly the same. SPYs are even more stretched out. I mean, just to pull back to our 9 EMA is 735. We're 4 points from that. So again, possible. 735 would be a nice spot. And that would probably line up, Rodolfo, with that 7407 in the ESs. It would, exactly. So that's where we look. If we don't, I still like the 21. It's down 12 points from here. That's double the ATR. I mean, as of this moment, I like it. Doesn't mean we're going to like it in 10 minutes. So let's see what happens. It is early. It's only 8:35. We've only just begun to fight. Boom, 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 boom. Again, we're not going to be aggressive today. I am always on the micros on Friday. Just good practice on Fridays. We don't want to give back any of our week. Take it nice and slow. Relax. UVXY still going up. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. This was yesterday, guys and girls. That's why I jumped in a little bit yesterday. $35. Crazy. I think I bought 36 and 35.50, missed 35. So I had like a 35.75 average. And I got rid of it this morning up, almost a $2 profit. Trade. Just a little trade. Pump. Aggressive 27 probably works for a couple of points, guys. If we get down there. Still a 6-point move, but I want to be real conservative today. Oil. Nothing. Gold. Nothing. We got our 930 orb set up. Opening range breakout trade. Wow, we're doing almost 1,000 points in the SPYs, and we're still 4 points away from the daily 9 EMA, so no hurry. Just a little pullback, this is, guys and girls. A little ordinary pullback that was way overdue. That's the name of that tune. Anyone want to try 27 if we go fast? What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm not opposed. I'm going to put one out there. Again, I'm taking it easy today. It fits. Yeah. I don't trade PA accounts on Fridays. What do you think of them apples? It fits if we do it on this pop down. We'll leave the 21 out. But but it fits on this Nick Papadopoulos. So you guys know we'll come close, we'll bounce, it'll negate it, and that'll be the end of that. Let's lower our short now, guys, to the actual trend. 43. It's up 12 points from here. Maybe we have a day where we downtrend all day. Certainly had enough of up ones. All right. Standing on the corner in Winston, Arizona. Such a fine sight to see. It's a girl, my lord, in a flat. Where I get aggressive is if the SPYs ever got down to 735. That's the daily level in that. Leave a marker out just in case we're here and that happens. Well, we don't even have to because that would just be a 7406. You never know. Maybe we crush right down. Leave a marker out. That'll be a spot to be aggressive in the MESs and the ESs. So there's our bounce. Stink on ice. Well, 27 hardly fits anymore, so let's be patient. Then take a chill pill. I like to see the rally up to get short, right? Micro Friday, absolutely. We'll still give 27. I don't know. Let's chill. It's still a 6-point move down, but whatever. It's not a 10-point move down from where we are. Take it easy. Micron down $34. Shocker. Shocker. And we told everybody the last couple of days I was lighting up on my Apple, on my NVIDIA, all that stuff. Everything is there to be a bullish day. You think so, Mo? Not at the moment. Actually, we're set up to have a little pullback day. We'll see. We play what they put in front of us, guys and gals. And that's the name of that tune. A boom chaka laka laka. The put game was to start last night and yesterday, Akeem. That was the put game, and then get out of it today for a little trade. That's what we did in NVDL and UBXY. Who knows? Every little rally has been a buy. So, I mean, again, let's see if we can pull down to the freaking 9 EMA on a daily chart. Probably not going to happen today. You never know. I'm with you, Fashion. But even for long-term investing, when you see stocks doing this, okay, you know, and some of my biggest ones, when I see a stock doing this on a weekly chart, I'm going to get a better opportunity to buy more back. So you lighten up. They got earnings coming out too. When the 20th, they got earnings coming out next week. NVIDIA. Look at Apple. Same chart. Take profit, take profit, take profit. We will get better entries to buy all these things at some point. I don't know from where, but we will. Micron, another crazy one. I mean, look at that. That's insane. We finally had a red bar on a weekly chart, which is why it's setting up to pull back a little bit more. And we're down, where are we? 35 points. What was the other one? SanDisk. Look at SanDisk. It's gone down 300 points. If we go to a daily chart in SanDisk, okay, 13. What's on 9 EMA? 1383 is the 9 EMA. We just broke that by 30 points. So here we go. Right around 1300 and SanDisk would be the trend. That's down $50 from here. Boom. So I like it if we get down to 1300. That would be shorting this one. Nice cheap little $10 stock, which we were long at about $8. So if SanDisk gets down to 1300, I'll start shorting a little bit of this SNDQ. This is made to go to 0. Again, it's 45 points away, but let me put a marker out there too. SanDisk. 1,400. You never know. Could go down another 50 points today. Boom. Okay, meanwhile, we're going sideways in the ESs. Doing nothing. I'm going to go up to the 30 EMA on a short, which is telling us it is 47. Take a nice chill pill. 34.47. This will be a day, guys and girls. Okay. To get the imbalances from Pete. Because if there isn't enough to take this down, we get long. So this might be a day where that works for us today. Let's see.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
I was just talking about you. I said this might be one of the first days in a while that the imbalance might help us if we don't have enough to push us down this far.
Exactly. This will be a perfect example. If we don't have, we need at least $1 billion. But I realize also it's option expiration. So it may get skewed sometimes on option expiration, and it may change literally in the last second. So I'll keep everybody tight. But if you give me 5 minutes, David, I'll explain to everybody why we're down 1%. A lot of things. Look, we've been on this parabolic move up. Eventually, when these moves up, unless they're sustainable only eventually when something really, really major happens. And I guess expectations were that we were going to come out of the China meeting with a lot of stuff locked on paper, right? A Boeing deal was a massive.
Pete, tell them all this right off the gate. Okay, these things are always 90% of the time buy the rumor, sell the news.
100%.
It was just how much good could have kept coming in the market, right? And everyone's freaking out now because the market's down 0.25%. I'm like, guys, take it easy.
That's
but
what
we got short yesterday, Peter.
Yeah.
During the day, we bought some UVXY. It's up $2 from there. Just trade.
Beautiful. The VIX are down 10%.
Yeah.
So people need to understand that nobody screams and yells when the market's up, 3% in a day. But the minute it's down 0.25% on the way down, everybody's, oh, it's the end of the world. That's a perfect example of people who have not seen this movie before, as David and I have. The VIX are up 10%. Okay, that means there's a little bit of fear in the market. That tends to be an overreaction. The stuff coming out of China was they were hoping to get a major 271 plane deal with Boeing. That did not happen. Boeing is a large percentage in all the indexes, Dow and S&P, and that's going to weigh heavily on them as well. Oil is up 3%. So we're back into that contango trade, or risk on, risk off, whatever they like to call that, where oil goes up, markets go down. Eventually, as I said, you need something to really put teeth into the rally that we've had. A lot of it was an irrational enthusiasm. Everybody was hopping on board. And think about it. Why does it keep going up day after day, week after week? Because there are people who finally just give up and they hop in. Some of them were short covers. Some of them were, okay, finally, I'm going to go long this market. I can't sustain my views that this can't keep going up anymore. It's a Friday, it's option expiration. Everyone needs to understand, what does that mean? So think about this. All these days, right, where the market has been going up, 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 and a lot of it has been for ETFs, right? And all the stocks you guys are trading, these futures and all these are basically ETFs. Well, who is making the sales in these ETFs that everybody is buying? The market makers. Well, at the end of the day, end of the week, end of the month, the market makers have to even themselves out. And at one point, they're going to have to figure out a way to cover, right? And they're going to cover whether they're buying this or buying that or selling this or selling that. They're going to have to even themselves out. And so this is a very complicated, and it's a big trade. It may be done through options. It may be done through futures. It could be done through, there's some crazy smart people out there who come up with all different angles. But think of it, what's happening today is a lot of things. It's not worth 1 ounce of worry at all. In fact, it's very healthy. Think about the trend trade that David describes to you all. First of all, good morning, everyone. It's me, the Unsigned Wall Street. Think about our most successful trade at Wall Street Global Trading Academy is a trend trade. What is a trend trade? A trend trade is when the market is going up for a sustained period of time and it pulls back to one of our 9 and 15 EMIs, right? And then continues to go higher. You don't buy a stock where it's just going straight up without any kind of a pullback. Well, that's what markets do. They go up, up, up. This is just nothing more than one of those little pullbacks. It's very healthy. It makes perfect sense to people who have seen this movie a million times. It happens to be on a Friday, which is option expiration. So you're getting a lot of volume coming into it on the long side, on the short side, on the sell side. And all of that is going to come together to one giant crazy opening. So when I get down to the floor, I'm going to give everyone down to the penny and down to 929 and change exactly what the volume is on the buy side or sell side, whichever it is, because very often on option X days we see it flip. It's probably I'm gonna call my son right now to find out. It's probably huge to sell right now, and then it may flip to buy because these guys are really nimble, right? They're out there trading and trading and trading and kind of cover up. Sometimes they put in order flow on one side because they're trying to get the other side of the trade, right? And so this could be some of that too. But there are legitimate things going on. VIX up 10%, oil up 3%, no deal with Boeing. That's a big deal. A lot of things came out of the China thing, even though it was fairly amicable. A lot of things did not come out of there in a way, like in the NVIDIA story with chips and all of that. There's a lot of restrictive stuff coming out of that meeting that didn't make Jensen Huang that happy, didn't make the president happy, didn't make President Xi of China that happy. So it's a completely legitimate pullback, sell-off consolidation. This isn't a crash. This is just a pullback, and it's a healthy pullback. So everybody take one of David's chill pills, sit back between now and the opening of the bell. You'll know exactly what's going to happen, and we'll talk you through it. I'm going to hop in the car and go down to work. I'll be in touch with you guys really soon. All right, you got me?
So what we want, guys and girls, is the market to continue down and then not have enough of an imbalance for us to be down that much. Then we can buy a little for the opening. We'll see what happens. Bum, 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 bum. All right, do we still like where we are for now? 21.47. Let's lower this to 45. I'll look now. This stuff is only good, you know, till close to the opening. Then we'll cancel and just take a chill pill and let everything do its own thing. Good. Gold. Yeah, moving up a little bit. What does Ken have? 67? I like Ken's fib. I don't think it's changed. We'll leave it small. So we don't want to see a big bounce from here. That's what we don't want to see. Standing on a corner in Winston, Arizona. Such a fine sight to see. It's a girl, my lord, in a flatbed Ford, slowing down to take a look at me. All right, anyone else got anything that they're looking at, guys and girls? Let us know. Yeah, not much here. Yeah, I think we can come up to that now, William, at least before the opening. I'm going to come up to our previous week high at 28. Down 10 points from here. A boom, chaka, laka, laka. 28.45. Boom, chaka, laka. So next week is boot camp, guys and girls. Okay. For those of you who don't know what boot camp is, we're going to have 80 hours of live instruction. It is included in our ultimate course. What also is included in our ultimate course is options, stocks, futures, chart setup, psychology, technical analysis, Tuesday and Thursday night slow markets, Thursday night mentorship meetings. Offering a discount today of $100. So instead of $700, it's $600. It's a one-time payment. You never have to give us another dime, and you're part of the family forever, including 80 hours of live instruction next week. We're going over the entire course live in real time next week. Live, baby. We're going to spend all day Monday talking about rules. Ken's going to beat you up with psychology. Tuesday, we're going to start our technical analysis. Kevin's going to do all things futures, slow markets Tuesday nights. Tuesday night for 3.5 hours. Wednesday, we have start our individual trades, watch lists and scanners. Thursday, we have beginning options, which is mega important because we're going to start day trading options, guys and girls, with Vanquish Trader. Boom. We got swing trading. We got Fibonacci's. It's going to be an unbelievably huge week. How many people are usually in the boot camp? It depends. Sometimes we get like, I don't know, 30, 40, 50. Sometimes we get 20. Sometimes we get 10. But all my room regulars are in there too, because if you're a room regular, you get the boot camps included. So there'll be a bunch of people. All right, we'll give our 45 a couple of minutes here on the bop up. It will be guaranteed the best learning experience of your life. And we have a money back guarantee. How about that? But Robert, there's not so many people that you don't get individual attention. Period. We don't move on from a subject until we've got every single person in that room understands what we are talking about. It's intense. It is a lot. And we're trading while we do it. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. Explain every single trade that we do, why we do it, bracket orders. It's just incredible. Guarantee it's the best money you ever spend. And then you get all 3 courses too. We are going to start day trading options with vanquishtraded.com. If anyone wants to start, you'd be more than welcome to open up an account. That's going to be another tool in our toolbox. We're in the process now of curating a new course just for that. It's probably going to be freaking 10 hours long. But meanwhile, here we are stuck in the middle with you doing absolutely nothing. Womp, womp, womp. I'm looking at movers and shakers stock-wise. I don't see anything there. It's all the gold and silver. All those things are moving. Let's look at some of these stocks that are down and see if we have any levels we want. Where's NVIDIA bouncing? All right, so let's look at NVIDIA. 226 will be a nice spot in NVIDIA. Again, so stretched out. I mean, 218 is just a 9 EMA on a pullback. But for a day trade, 226.60 could be a little spot. What's a fine site to see? I don't want anyone trading SanDisk, $1,000 stock. It's not worth it. Can't trade this CBRS either. That was a IPO from yesterday. $400, $300 this morning. I don't recommend trading that one. I'm only going to give this 45 a couple of minutes. It is exactly the ATR. Otherwise, we'll be more patient. We'll go up to 53 for now. But let's give this a couple more minutes here. Caroline. That's a great question. Where are we now? May? I doubt it'll be done. I mean, we're certainly going to start. Look, next week is boot camp. I'm on vacation after that for a week. Scotty will be running the room, so you guys won't miss a beat. And as soon as I get back, we're going to start curating the course. So hopefully by the end of June, it'll be up and running. We're going to be using vanquishtrader.com to execute our orders for options. And they're giving us like a 50% discount if anyone wants to start just to mess around with it, just using WSGTA code. I have an account open with them. I haven't traded yet because I want to wait till I do the course. But they are giving us a discount by using our code. It's just WSGTA. It's a girl, my lord, in a flatbed Ford, slowing down to take a look at me. All right. I'm going to refill my coffee ole. Take a little chill pill, do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight. Still like 28 if we spike down there on this pop down. And we're sitting in the middle of nowhere's land. Cancel gold for now. We're going the other way. $20 away now. Oil's dead. So far, it's been a trend all morning. On every rally, we've sold off on the 9 and the 15 EMA. I'll give the 28 a couple of minutes. I don't mind leaving out the 21 for the opening, down 14 points, 3 times the ATR. We'll see where we are in a few minutes. This experience is something money can't buy. Thank you, guys. We're trying to help as many people as we can. I mean, we have people who have spent $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 on courses that are absolute BS. Try to make it as affordable as we possibly can. Gold double bottom. 35. Yeah, that fits. I really like the 24 if we spike down, Arlene. That is down 21 points from here. Let's put it out small for now. But double bottom probably works. Again, it's Friday, right? Take it easy, breezies. BXDC, Blackstone News REIT. Probably not to trade, just to own, right? Yeah, because there's no volume in it. 0.0. Okay. I got the sound of your sweet wheels drive me crazy. Still like 28, guys, if we do it in the next couple of minutes. Otherwise, we're going to go lower down to 21. Na, 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 baby, give it up, give it up. We're just sitting in nowhere's land. Time is it? 9:05. All right. Give these orders like another 10 minutes. And again, guys, I am in Micro City all day. Looking out my back door. News at 9:15. Let's take a look. Let's see what it is and if it's going to mean anything. Yeah, we got New York State. No, we got industrial production. I don't think that's a mover and shaker that we got to worry about. All right, I'm canceling 28 for now. Taking a chill pill. Marvel, we'll take a look. On the buy side, you might add. Let's put out the 21 in the ESs. I'm not opposed to leaving that out for the opening, down 15 points if we stay where we are. Marvel. My Marvel does the. Oh my God. Yeah, I mean, 169, 165 could be a little spot to add a little bit of that. 169, 165. Not that far away. All right, we're in nowhere's land. Leaving the 21 out. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to leave this out on the opening also, 52. And does anyone know what time it is? Anyone know what time it is?
Dave, I ran out of peanut butter.
You ran out of peanut butter. You got to go buy some more.
Nope, no peanut butter coffee for me today.
Uh-oh. Sam's Club, baby. All right, I'll be back in 2 minutes. All right, ladies and gents, we're stuck in the middle with you. Remember, it is Take It Easy Friday. I am on micro, man. Right now, I'm leaving these orders out in the opening in the MESs. Down 18 points and up 13 points. What else? Anybody got anything else? Talk to me, goosies. Anyone have any other orders out? YouTube have anything else to say? What does oil on my chart? Oil on my chart look different than yours? I think the contract changed in oil, right, guys? We are now on the N6 contract. Yes. Otherwise, you're going to see it trading at like 104, right? Yeah. Contract changed, so you should be on a July contract, guys and girls. Yeah, you should see it trading at 99.50. You guys can hear me on YouTube, right? Reboot if you can't. Give me some ones if you can hear me. All right, good. Such a fine sight to see. Oh, right now we are at Tristan for the opening, 52. I'll be up 16 points, and we're at 21. That is down 16 points. So that'll be 3 times the ATR to either of our orders on the opening. Now, waiting for Pete to see if there's enough to bring us down this far. If there isn't enough to bring us down this far, I'm going to buy some MESs right before we open. I'm still here on YouTube, right? You lost me? You lost? I'm gone. I'm here. I'm gone. I'm here. We're here. So we got 17 minutes to the opening. And I'm sure Pete will check back in before we get closer to the opening and see what's going
on. Black News, U.S. industrial production.
Give me crack corn and I don't care. Means nothing. I hope it means something and we go up and down 15 points. But it doesn't mean anything. I've been standing on a corner in Winston, Arizona. Such a fine sight to see. It's a girl, my lord, in a flatbed Ford. Everybody take a big fat relax pill. $15 minutes to up now. So I'm leaving those orders out for the opening. See what the contract says. 1950 long, yeah, that probably works too, Trish. I mean, I like 21 for the opening. It's fine. We good.
Okay, Davey, this gets really, really exciting.
Uh-oh.
Hi, good morning, everybody. Listen to this. As of now, the SPYs are down 86.4 handles. There is $2.4 billion to buy.
What?
Yes, on the opening. Now, as I said to you, sometimes on option expiration, these things end to start paring down, but it's been this way for the last 10 minutes. It hasn't budged. Okay, so some of it could be option X, some of it could just be that people feel the market is way oversold and they want to scoop it down 86 handles, which I would think that would make sense to me as well. Maybe some people are short, trying to finally getting a shot to cover because they've been in so much pain for the last 3 weeks as the market's been going up, up, up. But I'm going to track it every second by second now, because sometimes it does start to pare down, and literally in the last seconds, it flips to sell. But as of now, 86 handles down with $2.4 billion to buy.
Ouch.
If it stays this way, it's a perfect setup, Dave, for the
Yep.
market to open and scoop the living and take a the pop. We know how it unfolds.
I got you.
Okay, so I
Yeah,
will.
we just bounced like 5 points off the lows.
Oh, you did. Okay, well then that could be the beginning of the move. But very often there is a 930 move, as we've seen before. These are big numbers. But just be aware it is option X, and it's going to be a big option X, because the bigger the moves since the last option X, the big.
Oh, we lost you, Pete.
About even out. Okay, I will keep you literally every couple of minutes. I'll check the number and come right back to you.
Thanks, Pete.
Right now, it sets up for a beautiful trade. Brian, goodbye.
Boom, 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 boom. All right, guys and girls, we got to wait a few minutes and see what happens. Should have just grabbed it as soon as Peter opened his mouth, right, Brian? So what Peter is talking about, everybody, guys and girls, just so you know, okay? There is not enough of an imbalance for the market to be down this much. That is the bottom line. Which means we should get a pop on the opening, but we just got a 5-point pop. So I'm going to cancel the short. Like I said, bro, as soon as he opened his mouth, we should have grabbed a little. Let's see what happens. Chill it out. Boom, 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 boom. 2 payouts this week, thanks to the green room. Love to hear it, Bobster. Boom, chakalaka laka. Nice job. And there's your bounce, guys and girls. So everything's bouncing. Oil's going down. I think we missed that one, Brian, unless we get a nice pullback before we open, right? Boom, boom, boom. Oh, that almost told me. We're definitely leaving the buy side out. Do it to catch X. Welcome back to those of you who are visiting, finishing up your trial from YouTube and elsewhere. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, Kata. Welcome back. Your dreams are your ticket out. Welcome back to the same hope that we talk about. All right, I'm just running to the boys' room. I'll be right back. We'll get ready to rock and roll. All righty, guys and girls. Let's see what the cat drags in. Oh, boo, boo, boo. And take it easy. We're gonna take it easy. Gonna take it easy. There's your freaking rally. Brian, did you grab any down there when Peter said? What a trade. Boom. You see, we did not have enough for us to be down this much. Insane. What a way to start the day. Crazy, man. Unbelievable. Wow. What are we like, 71 on the short side? I'm down with that. Let's put it out. Never know. 74, 71. Standing on a corner in Winsome, Arizona. Let's see if we have anything in between here, guys and girls. 15-minute is 57. 57, 58. We got a couple of things there. We'll wait till after the opening now. Cancel the buy side, obviously. Good morning, JR. Cancel this gold. We ain't ever getting there. Cancel SanDisk. Cancel spiders. Chill. Put out the nothing on the buy side. Let's see what happens. Boom, 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 boom. It's a girl, my lord. Again, guys and girls, take it easy Friday. Relax. Don't do it.
Hey, everybody. Okay, you there, guys?
Yeah, we got the trade already, Pete. In and
Yes, I love it. In and out. Well, it may be beautifully done, guys. Right now, it pared down to only 1.2 billion to buy, and SPY's already right. You see it. Then it's only down 74 handles. So there was about a 15 handle trade there. Okay, guys. Now it just came in by 400 only. SPY's down 73 handles, 400 million to buy. So this is what I described to you. Very often on option X days, they're posturing themselves, trying to get the other side of the trade, or the other side just popped in because people are doing this minute to minute as they set up their contracts. So what ends up happening is it'll probably flip to sell by the time that we post out here. So the last is buy 400 million only. That's down from 2.8 billion. Okay, and the pair off is accordingly. So it's not like someone pulled anything out, right? The other side came in, and the SPYs are down 73 handles. So very often when it's this big, you guys were right in playing the early play. Buy 250 only, SPYs down 70 handles. So you're seeing, and literally I would say by 9:29:30, it's going to flip to a sell side. But when it's this big, the early trade is the trade.
Thank you, Pete.
I'm going to stay on with you because they're going to be texting me until actually the market opens. So I'll keep you posted. But yeah, I want to see how this opens. Amazing. Amazing. You got to love when this works like that. 45 seconds. Thanks, Scotty. My pleasure, Caroline. I hope everyone was able to scalp a little money there.
That we did.
Yes. Oh, now everybody can go home. It's Friday.
Yep. That was the trade of the day.
Absolutely amazing. Buy 100 million only.
That's for evals.
That's for evals. Go get them, Dom. I love it. My pleasure, man. Oh my God, that makes me so happy. It made my day. Yeah, these happen, you know, they don't happen often, but when they happen, they're pleasurable. Sell 250 million.
Bum, 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 bum.
My gut is it may continue to break out through the orb on the upside, but we'll see what happens. Now,
Well,
we have no edge. Now there's no edge.
Nah, the trade's over.
Yeah, yeah. But well played, everybody.
Very nice spicy meatball.
Beautiful. Let's see. Show me how the is this the SPY that's on your graph, Davey?
It is. It's the ESs.
It's ES, right?
We made a high of 62. We just went down 10 points.
You did. Well, there you go. Well, imagine that because
the short was there too, guys, when it paired off. So,
right? Is that amazing? It posted out would sell 250 million. Everybody.
Yep.
So there was a trade. Okay, guys. Love you all. Talk to you soon, buddy.
Thanks, Pete.
Yep. Yes, sir.
You guys like 44 in the MESs? If we spike all the way down, I do. Small 43. Just pop. Oh, you stink. Oh, my goodness. All right, let's be patient. Damn. Let's wait. Oh, look at that, guys. Missed it by 75 cents. Yeah, I think we got to chill. Let's let the orb set up. It was a beautiful long. It was a beautiful short. Chillax. Boom, 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 boom. 43 would have been gorgeous. It's a girl, man. We like to shorten the top of the orb. Oh, it's not even 9:30 yet. Take a chill. It's not 9:35 yet. It missed the pivot point, right? By a scotch. Yep. Whack. All right, what do we like, guys? 27? Certainly like 27, right? Gonna take it easy. All right, let's put out 27. That. Cancel the short. Two that want to scold me, one that wants to hold me, some says she's a friend of mine. Chill pill. Damn. All right. Coming up, double bottom, 28. Let's do it. Down 8 points. This popped down though, guys and girls. We certainly like the top of the orb. Do we like the middle 65 EMA, guys? 52, up 12 points. I mean, the ATR is 7, so we are 53. Okay, let's do it. Thank you, Alex. All right, 28.53. Hike. Come on, baby. Chop right now. Boom, 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 boom. $51.50 will lower a little bit. I'm down with that. I'll give 28 a couple more minutes, right? Kind of like to see it on this pop. This pop 28, guys. I am not in a hurry. And we got 21 below this. So let's give this another minute or two. Really? There's a delay on YouTube? That sucks. Say when we go down to 21, guys and girls. Still like the 28 on this pop. Yeah, I mean, we're bouncing now. boom, 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 boom. Let's give it this pop. All right. This candle only. Then we'll go down to 21 and take a big fat chill pill. I'm thinking about going down to 21 now and not caring if I miss a trade. What do you think of them apples? I don't care. Yep, it's Friday. Brian's got 23. All right. I don't mind 23 and 21. So yep, let's change our orb. Come on, you piece of dog crap. What a trade Pete gave, right? Brian, you get that trade? That was insane. All right. What do we like to short, guys? Such as buying side to see 65 EMA. Yeah, I like that. 51 is good. 48 fish, I like that too. Let's do it. All right, everybody, let's relax. I like vicious 48 delete. Oil's getting, gold's getting crushed. Yowza. Like gold at 45.23? No, not with a 9 RSI.
What's a 9 RSI?
ATR, I meant.
Oh, okay.
Nice bounce off the bottom of the orb. Gold. What's oil doing? Nothing. I guess we can kind of like that 27 again now, guys. I mean, we just spiked up to what? 42? Right? 500 away from passing an eval. There you go. Boom chakalaka. Love it, YouTube. Anyone want to try the 27? I don't know. Let's chill. Frickin' Friday. It's not Friday, it's frickin' Friday. Gold down 150 banana skins. We are stuck in the middle with you now. It's okay. Boot camp next week, guys and girls. Oh. Spike them down. All right, you guys got 23, 22, 21, 20, 50. What do we like? I'll tell you what I'll do. You guys got 23, right? So let's go 74, 23, and 74, 21. 21 is the previous week close. I am on micros. Period. Done with the PA accounts. Period. David, you look at ES chart, but set your orders on MES with levels of ES. Yeah, you can use it, whatever. Philippe. I can leave the MES up. It's same, that's fine. Let's leave the MES up. Same thing. It's all good. All right, let's see if we get to 23 and 21. Keep it small. This pop. Come on, do it. Don't go up. Don't go up. Ah, you stink. All right, I'm leaving 21, guys, on this pop. Small. This pop. Oh, come on. If you got 23, take profits, guys. Anyone get 23? Son of a beeswax. All right, good. And 23 and 21 was the play. Now we wait. Nice job. Good. Take your profits. Next trade. What do we got lower now, guys? Excellent, Scotty. Oh, I left 21 out. Don't like that. All right. Got a couple points out of it. Oh, the sign to see. It's a girl. Oh, nice 21. Boom. Out at 25.50. There we go. Ooh. Gotta love that, guys and girls. Wow, 6 points. Holy mackerel. Yowza. Holy shit, look at this rally. Oh, guys, let's leave, please. Get out of here. Oh, man, Shevitz. That was a pretty good spot, huh? Yep, Matthew's done. Half the room is done. Anyone make enough to pay for the boot camp? Holy mackerel. Uh, 42.50 short. I'm down with that. Yep. 23 and 21, guys. 74.42. Still longer runner. All right. Not opposed. It's a girl, my lord, in a flatbed Ford. Slowing down to take a look at me. Come on, baby. Don't say maybe. All right, let's see if we spike up to 42 on this pop. I am not opposed. But we want it on this pop. Boom, boom, boom. Don't say me. Ah, you stink on ice. Yep, 49, 65 EMA. I'm with Arlene. Boom. Chill. What a day. Nah, I'm good with 49. We're cool. Bitcoin is getting oversold. Let's take a look. I'm not even with Apex, so what happened, guys? You guys had problems on YouTube? Oh, I got it. Well, give me some ones, YouTube. Everybody have a good morning. Yowza. And we're sitting in nowhere's land. David, you sent an email to do boot camp. Are you a course member already? 4350 this bar. Okay. Well, then you're in it. Yeah, he will get, guys, anyone who has the ultimate, Roman will send you an email over this weekend with the link to the room. Okay. Yeah, you'll get it this weekend. We'll just say 4350 on this pop. Okay, this bar 4350. Again, guys, I really don't even feel like trading anymore. So if we do it on this bar, we're in. Why didn't you take it, Brian? Got to do every trade that sets up. We're going to have losing trades, but you got to do every trade that sets up. There's slow markets next week, even though we have boot camp. Yes, Tuesday and Thursday nights. Absolutely. Vish, we still like the 4350 on this pop? Well, I hope so, because we're in. I'm putting one out at the 43. Yeah, I don't like this freaking trade. God damn it. All right, we're on the ESs. How about 48? That was the spot. Wah, wah, wah. Where are we at? 43.50. All right. Covering one of 44 if we get there. I just pulled back to 44. Stink. Bum 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 bum. Told you I didn't feel like trading anymore. Yeah, I know. Chilling out. But it's a bad trade, obviously. Bum, 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 bum. Put 1 at 45 if we pull back. Bump, 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 bump. That's what happens when you push your luck a little bit. That's okay. Only on the micros. Bump, bump. Well, just stick to your stops. I am out. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. All right, what do we like next, guys and girls? Top of the orb, 61. I'm down with that. Bump, 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 bump. Nah. You stink, David. I mean, we should have been adding on the 65 EMA. All right, whatever. I screwed that one up, guys. Shouldn't even have been stopped out. Whatever. What the hell am I doing? I'm long. Oh, those were my covers. Oh, man. Yeah. All right, you got break even. That's good. We had to have a 10-point stop. That was the ATR. Bump, 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 bump. I screwed up both sides of this pretty badly. Oh my God. All right, guys. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm going to try and wiggle out of this. Don't look at my P&L. Oh my God. Hammer time. It's hammer time. Can't touch this. All right, guys, where do we like the next level? What do we like, 21? Yeah, let's do it. Don't look at my P&L. Left the freaking order out to get long. Covered a short. All right, put out 21. Bop, bop, bop. Perp, perp, perp. Perp, perp, perp. Everybody should be done for the day. No question about it. Do not be trading anymore. Certainly don't compound an error. All right. Great job by everybody this morning. So where are we? 21. And I don't know. What are we like? 50 on the sell side, guys? 74.21. Just started 4 new evals to turn into PAs. Nice. What do we like on a short? Let's go top of the orb, guys. 60. Just take a chill pill. Relax. Done by 10 a.m. Yes. Everybody should be done. Give me some ones, guys, if you've hit your goal today. And everybody should have. Early and often. All right, Maria, no biggie. It will be. Anyone like the 51 again short? 65 EMA? That'll be up 30 points. We're doing it. Lower it. 74.51. Yep. All right, Ken. Thanks for your help as always. 21.51, guys. I am done trading on all of my Apex accounts. Boom, chakalaka laka. Crazy ball. But nobody should be in a hurry to do anything anymore. 10 o'clock. Do you know where your children are? Well, I can tell you this, boot campers. The streak goes on. Anyone who has joined us in YouTube, since we started doing this, well, you know how it's been here. The course takes you through the whole setup process. Absolutely. Course takes you through every single aspect from start to finish, including the language of the stock market, from A to Z. Lifetime mentorship, guys and girls. No, you can always buy an Apex account, Angel. Right now, they're on sale for $39, I think. Just use our code. Hilly, put your text in again. I was too busy trading. Yeah, guys. Any code, and again, You email Roman, giving you $100 off the ultimate course. And that includes everything. Boot camp next week, everything. And a money back guarantee. WSGTA.com@gmail.com. Never traded, so wouldn't know to do it. Well, it starts from absolute scratch. Finished most of the lessons. Excellent, Illy. Yeah, you got to get yourselves into boot camp next week. Oh boy. I'll join. Okay, that's good. Yeah, you don't have to. Join when you're ready to join a boot camp. Don't join if you're not ready. Period. Right? We do it every month, so there's no hurry whatsoever. How long is the boot camp? Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. till however long we take at night. It's intense. It's just so much in 1 week. We got Ken, we got Kevin, we got Scotty. All of our instructors are there, and everything is done live. Live. In real time as we are trading the markets. Never had so much info. It is intense, I'm telling you that. Go to WSGTA.com and you'll see all our courses there. If you decide to do something, send an email to Roman and he will give you a $100 discount. And that is only for this weekend. Boom. Chakalaka. All right. You're welcome, Hilly. We are dead stuck in the middle with you now. Stuck in the middle with you. Nothing, honeys. If I were you guys, Broom regulars, I would not be here anymore. Please go enjoy your weekend. $100 off. No, I'll give you the $100 off whenever you want, guys. Just tell Roman, send Roman an email and tell him I approved it. Doesn't have to be this weekend. Yeah. I want to get Roman in here. How many people in the trading room are in the boot camp next week? Two. All right. You're going to get an email from Roman over this weekend. If for some reason you don't, just let me know on Sunday. Okay. Sarah, you should get an email from Roman this weekend. Aaron, whoever signed up for the ultimate with the boot camp, you'll get an email this weekend. If you don't, let me know like Sunday night. Okay. Excellent, John. Ah, congratulations, John. Love it. You know what's so funny? I posted a picture yesterday of my daughter when she graduated from Sacred Heart. And then I posted the one 9 years later with her and my grandson. Yeah. That's what life's all about, baby. Right there in a nutshell. Boom. That's it. All right, YouTube, anybody have any questions about anything? Anybody interested in signing up for the room, the class, whatever, you go to WSGTA. It has been another spectacular day. Boom, boom. To get into the boot camp business, you have to buy one of our courses that includes the boot camp at WSGTA.com. So our classes are $299, $499, and $699, our courses. They all include lifetime mentorship. They all include slow markets on Tuesdays and Thursday nights. They all include lifetime mentorship. It's a one-time fee. You never have to pay us another penny. And you can be in a boot camp next week. So just go to WSGTA.com. You'll see the course selections. If you want the ultimate that includes everything, you'll send an email to Roman, and he will give you the $100 discount. If you have any problems, I'll give you my email also. Questions, comments, send me an email. Anything you're confused about. Boom, chakalaka. Great job by everyone today in the YouTube. We'll be on YouTube Monday morning, guys. Even when we're in boot camp, we'll be on Monday morning and Friday. And then I'm on vacation the week after that. I'm going cruising with the wife for a week. When we get back, I'm going to start curating the options course for everybody. Boom, chakalaka. The YouTubers, great job by everybody this morning. Another profitable day. We're giving $100 off. Instead of $700, it's $600 for the ultimate course. And guys, just so you know, we have payment plans. Okay? Payment plans. So you can buy the ultimate course. I think it's like $50 a month, as long as you have halfway decent credit. Payment plans, the whole Megillah. Okay, if you have any questions when I leave, email me, okay, or email Roman. It'll be the best money you ever spent. That's the bottom line. We guarantee it. We give you your money back if you're not happy after 30 days. All right, let's see if we spike up to 51 on this pop up. I don't know. Someone had a fib up there. Do we not like it anymore? I don't really care either way. Top of the orb, 59. Fish has 52. All right, 52 this pop, Fish. This pop. Again, I don't feel like trading anymore. So here's what I'm doing. One contract. And actually, I think we just missed it. Yeah, we got to 50.75. We missed it by 25 cents and went down 4 points. Good job, William. Kiss my ass. Gold, where did we have gold out? Oh, anyway, YouTubers, peace and love, baby. We missed it by 1/4 of a point. Let's chill. How about the top of the orb, guys? 60. Love that. Not that I care about trading anymore. Let's put that out. 74.60. What do we have in gold that you don't like anymore, Squadouche? I forgot Squadouche is here. Oh, I would have liked the top of the. I think it hit the top of the orb, Squadouche. 55.30. We got to. Nah, it missed it. So I wouldn't do anything then. 55 is a 30-minute on the rest of this bar. I'm putting one out. William wants to. Oops, I just sold it at the market. Oh my God, I stink today. Hey, I made $10. All right, YouTubes. Oh, you got it up there? Nice job, Z-Posh. The dream lives on. Boom. Great job, YouTube. Great job, everybody. We'll see YouTubers bright and early on Monday morning. Back at it. Let's hope today is the worst day we ever have and tomorrow's a better day. I hope a couple of you signed up already with the course. So I'll see you in boot camp next week. Love it, love it, love it. Bish, thank you very much. All right, YouTubers. Trading room, hang out. We're not leaving. Boom, boom, boom. Let's hope today's the worst day we ever have trading for YouTube and tomorrow's a better day. I say peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. Up 350 today. I love it. Boom. Excellent job, Camille. We are out of here like Vladimir Overski and Mr. Outski. Loves to all. Uh-oh, I heard